Kia ora, Katrin here from New Zealand. We have now passed half the year, or even more than that, and I would like to think about you last year back and then coming to today and asking yourself, what has changed in my life? Or has anything actually changed, or are you still treading the same like you did 6 or 12 months ago? And if that is the case, why? Most of us who are in a situation that we would like to change are actually really intending to do something about it. But why are we not getting there? And one of the biggest reasons is resistance. And I'm not talking about the resistance from your conscious mind, because you wouldn't go out to read books, you wouldn't watch this video, you wouldn't go and do certain workshops if you would consciously resisting that you want some change. But the resistance that makes the biggest difference is the one in your subconscious mind. You have to overcome that resistance in your subconscious mind, because that part of you doesn't like change. It wants to keep the status quo. It wants to keep you where you are, because it's not judging. It kind of feels that change is, first of all, difficult, but also really scary. It doesn't know what is out there. So overcoming the subconscious mind is something that you can achieve with the two-pointing method. I actually would like to invite you to come and experience something that I am offering every 3 weeks. This coming Monday, which most likely will be your Sunday, I'm offering my 3 weekly global healing and transformation sessions. The idea behind it is that everything is connected. You are connected with everything around you. People, nature, houses, everything. So when we are transforming blockages within ourselves, we are helping everybody around us to do the same, because we are all connected. Hence do I call it global healing and transformation sessions. If you are interested, just send me a message below and I send you the link. It's free, and I do this until the end of the year every 3 weeks. The other thing I have coming up, if you would like to learn the basics or briefly have a look at how the two-pointing works, I have 2 small workshops coming up next Friday and Sunday. And again, if you're interested, just send me a link. In the meantime, I just encourage you, when you feel you want to do something and you want to change something, ask this question. What is preventing me from doing this? Just ask the question. What is preventing me from doing this? You do not need to know the answer. You might, if you ask that question, start yawning, or you might feel lighter, or you might actually get an answer. You are in fact asking that question to your subconscious mind. So don't worry about getting a response straight away. Just ask it and see what happens. I hope to see some of you on either on the Monday, being your Sunday, remember, or on one of the short workshops. Would love to see you there. Bye for now.